there and welcome back to another Christmas video on my channel. How are we doing today? Today I'm going to be showing you my recipe for a peppermint hot chocolate. So, you will be needing the following equipment: a measuring jug, some measuring spoons, some scales, a medium-sized saucepan, a wooden spoon or a spatula, a trivet, a serving ladle, and finally some mugs. You will also be needing the following ingredients: 340 millilitres of milk. I like to use lacto-free skinny milk. 200 grams of dairy-free milk chocolate broken into small pieces. 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract. A 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And some dairy-free, this is actually vegan whipped cream, which is totally optional. So, let's go! First things first, measure out and prepare all of your ingredients so that they're completely ready for you to use. So now that we've done all that nasty prep work, it is now time to begin actually making our hot chocolate. So for this we will be needing our spatula, our medium-sized saucepan, our trivet, and all of our ingredients. So the first thing I'm going to do is add all of my milk to my saucepan. Yeah. All of our chocolate, doing this nice and slowly as it will make the milk split up. All of our peppermint extract. And all of our vanilla extract. So now that everything is in the saucepan, I'm going to turn on my hob. Set it to a simmer, which should be a medium to low heat. And then I am just going to keep stirring everything together with my spatula so that nothing sticks at the bottom of my saucepan. And you're going to want to do this until all of the chocolate has melted and the entire mixture starts to simmer. But you have to stop before it starts boiling because that's not going to do it any good. And then after your mixture is completely finished melting and mixing together and smelling amazing, we are then going to place it onto our trivet. Place the saucepan onto our trivet. So that is looking perfect now. So I'm just going to slide that over to my trivet and turn off my hob. Okay, so now that this is all done and looking and smelling absolutely delicious, I'm now going to need my serving ladle, my mugs, and my whipped cream. So now I'm simply just going to ladle in my mixture into my my mug even. So now I'm going to top my hot chocolate with some whipped cream.
Yummy!
So actually everything from that saucepan fit into this mug, and personally I do believe that that recipe equals enough for 2 people. It's just because this mug is fairly large that it's managed to take everything. So that is it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description, as I love them all and wouldn't put them there if I didn't, including all of the links to the equipment that we used today. If you do make this at home, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and use the hashtag #BakingWithVickiie so that I can see all of your lovely creations. Let me know in the comments of anything else you'd like to see me make, gluten, lactose or yeast free, as I do them all. And finally, don't forget to like, leave a nice comment and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. Bye!